Well, hello there. It's me, Ron, again here on the Snap String, and today I'm back home, and I'm in the kitchen here, and I'm going to be doing up some Philly cheesesteak. Actually, if you see, we've already been cooking some, but I'm going to go ahead and do a fresh batch here for you. Here's our cheese sauce that we put on it. That's some to die for. But anyway, yes. Put some butter in here. Get the meat. Some of the sauteed peppers and onions. And everything's already been seasoned: salt, pepper, Worcestershire, a little bit of cayenne pepper, some smoked paprika, and chipotle chili powder, and some a special garlic blend, roasted garlic seasoning. But anyway, we'll let this get all nice and cooked up here. Get it browned up on. I like to finish it up. I cook it a little bit first in two other pans, and then I finish it up in the cast iron because it sears it good, and it actually adds flavor to it. And you can get a more even cook done on it because cast iron has an even heat. Uh-oh. Don't you bark. Freddie's coming in. You be good, girl. I let it get a couple of seared a couple of times. Put some cheese on it. This is pepper jack cheese. This here is sharp cheddar cheese sauce. So you get a good amount of different flavors going on. And they are delish. Then let that get melted up a little bit. Mix them up together, then it's ready to put on bread. Oh, wow. A little bit more. Yeah, there's some cherry pie too. Yeah, getting melted up now. Then let that go ahead and toast up a little bit there. And put it on a sandwich. But anyway, that's all we have here on the snap string today. So always remember to make things around you brighter, because the world will take care of itself as long as you do good around you. That's good.